Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be what I eat in a day. So I already took my vitamins, and of course I have a whole vitamin routine that I will post. And I'm having breakfast. So breakfast today is just peanut butter banana toast with the rest of the banana, because yeah, I'm not wasting that. So I'm gonna eat this, and I will check back in with you guys in a little bit for lunch. Okay, so this is going to be lunch for today. Just waiting for the oven to get preheated so I can actually cook it, and then when it's done I'll show you what it looks like. And I wouldn't usually have a TV dinner, but we don't have any food, and this is what I have. I need to go grocery shopping bad. Okay, so this is lunch. I'm going to finish drinking my Coke, and after that I'll probably have a Gatorade. So maybe I might actually get to eat this and not have to share with the cat. We'll see. Oh, nope, because she's right there. And this is my favorite Gatorade. Okay, so my snack's gonna be this apple and what's left of this caramel. Not much. And while this is not the healthiest, I don't really eat that healthy. If you've ever seen the shirt with the raccoon on it that says I work out so I can eat garbage, I am that raccoon. Okay, so I'm gonna eat this, and next time I'll see you will probably be dinner. Okay, so the second snack of the day is chocolate cupcake and a Reese heart, because it's Valentine's Day, and it's called Balance, because I did an hour workout and then I walked around the store for about probably 45 minutes, so yeah. Okay, so dinner is a grilled ham and cheese, and I'm gonna finish off this bottle of water, which is pretty much all I drink after I have my Gatorade. Okay, so that's what I eat in a day. Today was a little off because it was Valentine's Day and I was not expecting a cupcake, but yeah. So that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, totally let me know. Other than that, thank you for watching. If you've not done so already, please hit the red subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.